Welcome once again as you join me in our today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to remind ourselves how to count up to 10. Gutara nginya ikumi. So we are going to go directly into counting. We'll count 1 to 10. So 1 in Kikuyu we say imwe, imwe. 2 we say igere, igere, igere. 3 ithatu, ithatu, ithatu. Twara tutatu, ithatu. 4 inya, inya. 5 we say ithano, 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 ithano. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithano. 6 we say ithathatu, ithathatu, ithathatu. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithathatu, ithathatu. 6 7 we say mugwanja, mugwanja. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithathatu, mugwanja, mugwanja, mugwanja. Number 8 we say inyanya, inyanya, inyanya. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithathatu, mugwanja, inyanya, inyanya, inyanya. Number 9 we say keda, keda, keda. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithathatu, mugwanja, inyanya, keda. So we say keda, keda. Number 10 we say ikumi, ikumi, ikumi. When I take 5 plus 5, I get ikumi, ikumi. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithathatu, mugwanja, inyanya, keda, ikumi. So we can go through it again. We count up to 10. Imwe, imwe. Igere, igere, ithatu, ithatu, ithatu. Inya, inya, ithano, ithano, ithathatu, ithathatu, mugwanja, inyanya, inyanya, keda, ikumi. Imwe, igere, ithatu, inya, ithano, ithathatu, mugwanja, inyanya, keda, ikumi. So I hope you have gotten how to count 1 to 10. Continue practicing how to count and continue adding, continue learning more of counting. You can continue up to 100 or even to bigger numbers. For now, that's the end of today's lesson. Till we meet again in our next lesson, please join me in our next lesson. For now, it's a bye-bye.